Hi guys, how are you doing? Welcome back to Just Sophia. So guys, this is just an update of what I'm doing currently. Um, so as you know, I have said severally on this channel that I do online article writing, content writing. I also have my own websites that I'm working on. So I'm also a blogger. That is what I do full time. But now, currently, like I also mentioned in my previous video, it is so hard to get clients right now. There are no jobs. It's kind of low season right here. So I have just decided to try a different skill now that I have time on my hands before the high season in September. So I have decided to try academic writing, and that is why I am here to talk to you about it. So guys, thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new here, please consider subscribing to this channel. Guys, please do me a favor and just subscribe, okay? I have realized that like 90% of people who watch me have not subscribed. I don't know why. Please help me grow by subscribing to the channel. Also, click the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. My name is Judith. I do how to make money online videos, personal finance videos, and personal development videos. If that is your kind of content, please remember to subscribe. Just subscribe, okay? It doesn't cost you a thing. So, guys, even though I can say that I have advanced as far as content writing is concerned, as far as article writing is concerned. But now academic writing is a new field to me, definitely. So it's like starting over, which is never fun. But I guess you just have to do it if you want to learn something new. And again, I have said severally that it's good to always endeavor to learn a new skill. You never know when you will it will come in handy. So when it comes to academic writing, by the way, from my reading, and by the way, I had to look for someone who has been doing it for some time for guidance. Yeah, it is always the best option for me. If you can find a mentor, that is the best option for me. You will not make the many mistakes that some of us made when you were starting out. When you have a mentor, at least they have been there. They know where to go, what to do, and all that. So a friend of mine who has been writing for a very long time, I went to him and he taught me one or two things. So majorly, by the way, according to what I have gathered, the difference between academic writing and article writing is the citation that is involved in academic writing. So with academic writing, you can't just write something from your head, or you really can't write just your thoughts. You have to back it up from books, from relevant references and all that. So it is not like a blog post where you can just put in your voice and maybe do a little research and write everything from your head, I guess. This one you have to back it up by research. And I'm just not talking about research like Googling, just and taking the first result that comes on Google. You have to actually go for scholarly articles, scholarly references. If it is books, if it is those articles, or I don't know what else they are called, those scholarly things. Yeah, so I think that is the difference, by the way. So far, this is what I have done so far. I have learnt about APA writing style. I have also learnt about MLA writing style. So he gave me a sample which I have done and submitted to him. I'm waiting for his feedback. Yeah, so that is what I have done so far. So because like I said, what really differentiates the two is the citations. That is what I have gathered. It is what differentiates the two. So I have learned about those writing styles. Now, the next step that I'm going to take, of course, is to now register on platforms. Like I said, this one is like starting over. So I'm going to register on Fiverr. I'm also going to register on freelancer.com. I had forgotten about that site a long time ago, but I guess I have to go back to it. So those are the two that I know currently. Of course, I will also seek clarification from him on any other platform that I can register to. Then I start bidding. So fingers crossed that I do something about this. I don't know how far I will go with it. Yeah, because also I feel like when the clients start trickling in September. By the way, guys, if you have been looking for a job for a writing job, I hope you are prepared for the high season. By the way, whether it's academic writing or article writing, it has been very slow by the way on this end. I think it's because of what everyone else is experiencing all over the world, the recession, and also because of the summer holiday. So now that we are slowly coming to the end of the summer holidays, I'm just hoping and praying that things will open up, and hopefully you land a client, whether it's locally or internationally. So I am just preparing myself, whether it is in academic writing or article writing. You have to prepare yourself and make sure that you are ready. So if it is the training that you need to take, if it is registering on the different writing platforms, please do that and just be ready to start working. So that is where I am currently. I hope you have started working on a different skill from what you have been doing. If you have, please comment down below and let me know. If you haven't, maybe there is one that you have been wanting to try. Also comment down below and let me know. Maybe there is someone or I may know something about it, and we can help each other out, right? If you're an academic writer by the way on this platform, please comment down below and just tell me something about academic writing. So guys, that's it. We will meet in the next video. Hopefully I will let you know how far I will be at that time as far as academic writing is concerned. So thank you so much for tuning in, and see you on the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click the red button, subscribe, and click the notification bell. Thank you so much, and bye.